you require a reliable winch or crane for a high-profile lifting, pulling, or positioning job? Thern is here to help. You might be wondering, what can Thern Incorporated do? The sky's the limit when it comes to our capabilities. Presenting the Thern Advantage. We leverage a team of expert in-house engineers with decades of knowledge and experience to provide unsurpassed solutions for any application. As an ISO 9001-2015 certified company, every product we manufacture meets our strict quality standards and is tested for performance and durability. We don't make you wait. Our turnaround time for most standard products is only 2 days, with competitive lead times for custom orders. Have peace of mind with an industry-leading 2-year limited warranty to ensure your complete satisfaction. Exceptional quality is in everything we do. Visit thern.com/contact to place an order today.